Hi guys, it's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to make some sorrel jam using the leftover plum from your sorrel. It's really simple recipe, it's really easy, and I can't wait to show you how I make mine. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. You only need 3 ingredients. So you need your sour plum, some sour drink, and you also need a sweetener of your choice. I like to use raw maple syrup, but you're more than welcome to use any other sweetener that you want to use. So the first thing that you need to do is to scoop out that leftover sour plum and put it in your blender, and we're just going to blitz it into more of a paste type of consistency. So in order to achieve that paste type of consistency, what I'm going to do now is just pour some of the sour drink into my blender. So what I'm doing is just adding a small amount because I don't want to add too much, because you really want to achieve just a paste type of consistency. You don't want to add too much and make the jam too thin. So now I've stopped the blender. I'm just going to take the lid off and show you guys what your jam should look like, or should I say the sorrel consistency in the blender should look like. It should look more like a paste. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. So I'm using a spoon just to scoop some out so you guys can see what it should look like. So I've added the sour puree to my pot, and what I want to do now is add my maple syrup. I'm going to just stir that in once I add it, and I'm just going to keep stirring now until the jam becomes thicker. It's not going to be extremely thick, but it's going to be thicker than what it started with, and it's going to take about 20-25 minutes to achieve that. So this is what the jam looks like after about 20 minutes. Hopefully you guys can see that it's thicker, and it will get a lot thicker once it's completely cool. So even if it's not extremely thick to begin with, it will get thicker as it's completely cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give it a try and use it for your festive recipes.